welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Major murder and dacoity in Mapusa. Kamakshi Jewellers looted of 1 crore jewellery. Owner Ratnakar Raikar murdered. Stock transportation likely by 5th October. Its Chief Minister's assurance say truck owners. Barge owners formally open up season. Transportation on hold till 30th. Public hearing on MPT's coal berth expansion postponed. Vasco cars agitated over coal pollution. People demand total closure of coal handling by MPT. Terror suspect Afzal in police custody for almost a month. No major breakthrough. NIA awaits response from Delhi headquarters to take over case. Government says no response from MHA. And expect injuries and casualties in Goan football to be handled better henceforth. Goa Football Development Council educate coaches on managing on-field injuries. Now the news in detail. In a major dacoity case in Mapusa on Sunday, robbers struck a jewellery shop and looted jewellery worth almost 1 crore and murdered the jeweller. Owner of Kamakshi Jewellers, Ratnakar Raikar, was found murdered inside the shop. The crime left Mapusakars shocked. Mapusa police conducted a panchanama till late night. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar also visited the site later in the evening.
This is the jewellery shop Kamakshi Jewellers. Owner of the shop has been murdered. Ratnakar Raikar had left the house early morning on Sunday. He headed towards the shop for his regular business. Since morning, there was no phone call or any conversation with Ratnakar. He did not return for the lunch. Worried with this, Ratnakar's family came to the shop in the evening and were shocked to see the heinous scene inside the shop. The shop was looted and no jewellery was left in the cabinets. More shocking was the dead body of Ratnakar lying on the floor of the shop. They immediately intimated the police. Police rushed to the site and conducted panchanama. Till late night, police were at the scene of offence. However, official figure of the net worth of looted jewellery was not available till late night as the estimate was on. Ratnakar family resides at Dangi Colony in Mapusa.
आमकां मेळ्ळें तूं कमेंट दिता पुलिसीक इन्वेस्टिगेट करून मागीर हांव कमेंट दिता. At this moment investigation is more important and finding out why it has happened is more important. पण एकूच गजाल म्हाका दिसता आयच्या हातूंत थोडीशी इल्ली एक्स्ट्रा सेक्युरिटी हे करूंक जाय म्हणजे प्रिकॉशन प्रत्येकान थोडीशी घेण्याची गरज आसा. आनीक ताजेर हांव काय उलोवंक.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Transportation of ore stocks at jetties may begin by 5th October. Truck owners claim it's an assurance from the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, barge owners have expressed concern that tussle between the state and centre would damage the local mining industry. Barge owners formally opened their season with a ritual at the sea on Sunday, but ore transportation will be on hold till 30th September.
जयंती नटराजनान जी स्टेटमेंट काढल्या आमकां प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स तुमकां सांगला की ऑल द 93 मायन लिजीस शूड बी are withdrawn. All the clearance from the mining ministry of environment and forest should be withdrawn. So far त्यांनी अजून त्यांनी करू ना पण आम्ही त्यांना रिक्वेस्ट केला की हे जर तुम्ही करत जाल्यार हेचो इफेक्ट आमच्या बाजीचेर शुअर जातलो. बेसिकली वी हॅव रिक्वेस्ट टू बोथ द गव्हर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट एज वेल एज द स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट, कीप युअर डिफरन्सेस and your politics aside and let the business continue.
त्या मिटिंगेक ट्रकवाले, बार्जवाले, मशीन ओनर्स सगळे उपस्थित जातले. त्याचबरोबर डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्स जातले आनी त्याचे फुड्यान मुख्यमंत्र्यान आमकां सांगलां की ट्रान्सपोर्ट एक्टिविटीज पळय आसा ती 5 ऑक्टोबराक सुरू जातली. आपूण ट्रक मालकां खातीर, मशीनवाल्यां खातीर तशेंच बार्जवाल्यां खातीर एक पॅकेज दिवपाचो विचार आसा आनी ती पॅकेज अशी आसतली की विदर्भा सारके पळय शेतकरी तशे विदर्भांक शेतकऱ्यांनी आत्महत्या केल्या तसो प्रसंग आपूण हे ट्रक मालकाचेर, मशीन ओनराचेर आनी बाकीचे मायनिंग रिलेटेड जे कोण लोक आसा तेचेर आपूण हो प्रसंग हाडून दिवचो ना.
हे NGO कोण पर्यावरण प्रेमी हे उपस्थित जाले. ऑफकोर्स तेणी येवपाचें, पर्यावरण सांबाळपाचें, पक्षी नळ निसर्ग सगळं सांबाळपाचो खरी खबर. त्याच बरोबर ह्या ग्रामीण भागांक ह्या निसर्गाचे एरिये भितर रावणारो मनीसय सुद्दां एक निसर्गाचो घटक, हेजेर तेणी विचार केला. थंय एअर कंडिशन कॅबिना बसून हे निसर्गाचेर हांगा आपल्याक जाय ते फेकाफेकी करपाक तांकां तेणी प्रत्यक्ष येवन थंय पळोवचें, प्रत्यक्ष आमचे बरोबर रावचें.
आमकां डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्सान ताणें आमकां एक फॉर्म दिल्लें आसा. ते फॉर्म ते ट्रकवाल्या जशें दिल्लें आसा नॉर्थ गोवा, सावथ गोवा, तशेंच आमकां मशीनवाल्याक सुद्दां सांगलां की हे फॉर्म ताणें भरून दिवपाचें. जे कोणाचे बँक स्टेटमेंट आसात, कितें आसा, कोण कितले बँकेत डेबीट आसा, ते सगळें रजिस्ट्रेशन, आपल्याला RC बुक सगळें आनी फॉर्म भरून प्रत्येकान आपल्या कन्सर्न ऑफिसान सबमीट करपाचें. त्या प्रमाणे परिकार बाबान सांगले त्या प्रमाणे की तो त्या आतां बँके कडल्यान मिटींग घेवन जे मनीस सफर जाल्यात तांकां खंयचे पद्दतीन हेल्प करपाक शकतलो.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Public hearing on MPT's coal berth expansion project turned chaotic on Sunday as Vasco Cars demanded complete closure of coal handling by the MPT. Public hearing was postponed as it was convened before completion of 30 days period as per public notice. The Vasco Cars gathered for a hearing, protested against the coal pollution in Vasco City. The district collector had to finally postpone the public hearing until further notice.
Before conducting the next hearing, please declare, because I remember when I did a pollution check with you, it was above the permissible limits.
People after the death, but in Vasco City, we are burying the people under the coal when we are alive.
The environmental public hearing on Sunday was postponed amidst chaos and confusion. There was confusion during the meeting as public hearing was to be scheduled following 30 days of notice period, but was scheduled within 2 weeks of the notice. The notice was dated 31st August 2012 and the meeting was scheduled on 16th September. People got furious.
Legal record is not there. Today, public consultant hearing has been postponed. So the next day, after the
entire procedure has to be started afresh. Entire procedure right from filing of the application for EC has to be started afresh.
What is it not?
The Vasco Cars also demanded that the MPT chairman should be present for the meeting. Murga MLA Milind Naik, South Goa Collector ND Agarwal attended the hearing.
We are suffering. We are all suffering. AC गाड़ी बोले, AC घरात रावले मुचायना. त्या जेटीत लोकांक पळया, वास्को लोकांक पळया, बिल्डिंग पळया आमच्या हांगासर. सगळे काळे जावन गेला. जे मन काळे, म्हणून आमकां काळे करून दवरले तेंच्यांनी. We do not want coal. You stop this now.
South Goa Collector then called off the meeting as due procedure for the meeting was not followed.
It has been brought to the notice the 30 days legal requirement to give the postponement notice. They are not fulfilling. So I have issued the order to give the 30 days notice. They are delay from the Pollution Control Board to publish the public notice. And I found there is substance, so I have cancelled.
Public जो लोकांचे डिमांड आहा, लोक कितें सांगतले त्याच्या बरोबर रावपाचें म्हाजें काम. कारण ह्या एरियाचो मुरगांवचो आमदार जरी जालो तो मुरगांव तालुक्या खातीर हांव रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह करता. मंत्री म्हणून सरकारान हांव आहा आनी म्हाजें काम लोकांचे ग्रीवन्सीस सरकारा कडेन पावप आनी बेस्ट सोल्युशन कितें आहा तें काडप.
The date for public hearing on expansion of coal berth at MPT will be declared and publicized. Reporter Surendra Matkaikar for Prudent.
It's almost a month that terror suspect Afzal Khan is in custody of Goa police, but there is no major breakthrough yet in the probe. NIA is supposed to interrogate terror suspect but are awaiting the consent from Union Ministry of Home Affairs. Sources from NIA and Goa claim they have not received any intimation from Delhi headquarters and hence can't take up the case. Sources from State Home Ministry say they have communicated to Union Home Ministry for transfer of case to NIA but no response yet. Watch this report.
Terror suspect Afzal Iqbal Khan was arrested by Verna police on 24th August. His remand has been extended till date on 4 occasions. Monday will be the 5th plea for extension. Sources claim Afzal Iqbal Khan, the terror suspect arrested by Goa police, has links with the terror outfit. These facts came to light during his interrogation. Mumbai anti-terrorist squad has already interrogated Afzal. He allegedly had hidden motives to have blast in Goa at religious and touristic spots. Plea by Goa police for his narco analysis has been already dismissed by the court. Police also suspect his links with the Pune bomb blast. NIA is a specialized agency with an expertise to interrogate terror suspects and probe terror links. CM Raikar had informed the media almost 2 weeks back that case will be handed over to the NIA as government does not want to take any risk in investigation.
We are asking National Investigative Agency to take over the probe. But let them decide finally whether he is really a terrorist or just an similarly looking person.
However, sources in NIA at Goa reveal that they have not received any intimation from their headquarters at Delhi to take over Afzal case from State Police. State Home Ministry has communicated to the Union Ministry of Home Affairs for transfer of case to NIA. The State Police are getting the custody for terror suspect extended every week. Till date, there have been 4 extensions. Monday will be the 5th one, but probe doesn't seem heading to any major breakthrough. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.